today I'm back again with another video, and this video is in cooperation with UNice Hair or UNice Hair, however you want to pronounce it. This week they sent me over a headband wig. If you not follow up with the channel, you know, so like when you hear headband wig, you hear Shami. Like Shami is the queen of headband wigs because me and the cap. Alright, so yeah, headband wigs are foolproof. You can't mess it up. It's very easy to apply, and I'm going to show you how it's done today. So let's just go on to what is inside the box. And I already took out the wig because I straightened it, so the wig is not in the box right now. So what I have in here are some headbands. They sent me 4, which I will be showing you guys all of them on my head. This like leopard print one. I kind of have a problem differentiating between leopard print and cheetah print, so one of them this. And like this, it's like a handkerchief print with some buttons on it. I'm not sure if the buttons, if they're functional, but yeah, this is how it looks. I also have a full silver moon headband. It's really cute. I always love these. And I have a white version to the black one that I just showed you, and a wig cap. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you the wig. So this is it. I just went ahead and straightened it because it had like some little waves in it, but I wanted it straight. So yeah, this is how it's looking. It's Brazilian. All the details as usual will be in the description box below, so you guys can go ahead and check that out. And also I'll also have the specs running across the screen right here. So this is how it's looking, and I'm going to start preparing my head for it to go on. So you know, it's a headband wig, so you have to make sure your edges are real pretty to put it on. So I'm just going to go ahead and do my edges now, and then I'll just slip on the wig. And I'm going to be looking down because my mirror is right here. So yeah, just using some, a lot of people always ask what I use on my edges. I just use Eco Gel. I normally switch between the green one and this one because I find that they hold my hair better. The other colors don't really, or the other types don't really hold my hair that well. So it's either this Eco Gel or the green one. So yeah, let's go.
Yo, Dre.
Guys, so I did the best that I could with my edges, and this is how they are looking. So now I'm going to go ahead and slip on the wig. So this is how the inside of it looks. You have 4 combs, 3 in the front, 1 in the back. I'm not sure if you can see that, but yeah. So, and it has a velcro. So all you need to do is open this area here, place it on your head like a regular headband, and then you clasp it to how tight you want it. I'm gonna go right there, and then you pull down the wig and set the combs in place. And that is all. That is all. Stick the comb in there. Guys, so this is how it is looking with just the naked band, and I personally find that I don't like how it looks with just the band, so I always have to wear a headband when I am wearing a headband wig. And as I mentioned before, I got 4, so I'm going to be trying these on for you guys right now. So let's go. As usual, drama, right? A vibe. Like, it's always a vibe. Like, the moon headband is always a vibe. Like, so let's move on to the next one. So this is number 2, which gives me a more casual vibe. Like, this is like if you just like go to AFFORTABLE, you just put this on, versus the moon headband, which is if you're going out or doing something special. So yeah, this is more everyday wear, but I won't be trying on the white one because it's the same as this. So I'm just going to go ahead to the last one, which I think I would like the most. So yeah. So this is the final look. I really like how this one complements the hair. Like, this is it for me. Like, this is it for me. And as you can see, guys, I got inches. Okay, I got inches. So as I said before, all the details for this wig will be down in the description box down below, so don't forget to go ahead and check it out. It's really good quality, like, and it's foolproof, guys. Me like this. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. As usual, if you liked the video, don't forget to go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Rate this headband wig down in the comment section and give her a name, because she's giving me a vibe. So give her a name down below in the comment section, and don't forget to go ahead and check out UNicehair description box for all the information, and hit that subscribe button on your way out, and I'll see you guys in my next video.